Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to file your U.S. tax return online using Form 1040. Whether you're a first-time filer or just need a refresher, we'll walk you through the key steps, common pitfalls, and best practices to ensure your return is complete and accurate. Form 1040 is the standard federal income tax form used by U.S. taxpayers to report income, claim tax credits, and calculate taxes owed or refunds due. Every individual who earns income in the U.S. generally needs to file it. It replaced several older forms and is now the go-to form for everyone. You must file a Form 1040 if your income exceeds certain thresholds, which vary based on your filing status, age, and dependency status. Even if you're below the threshold, you might want to file to get a refund of withheld taxes or claim credits like the Earned Income Tax Credit. You can file electronically through IRS Free File, commercial tax software like TurboTax or H&R Block, or with the help of a tax professional. E-filing is fast, secure, and typically results in quicker refunds. It also reduces math errors and flags missing info. Before starting, collect key documents, W-2s from employers, 1099s for other income, interest and dividend statements, and records of deductions or credits. Also keep your Social Security number, last year's return, and bank info for direct deposit handy. Your filing status affects your tax bracket and eligibility for credits. The most common are single, married filing jointly, and head of household. Make sure you correctly claim dependents to avoid delays and errors. Report all income sources, including wages, freelance income, interest, dividends, and unemployment benefits. Adjustments like student loan interest or IRA contributions can reduce your taxable income. You can either itemize deductions, like mortgage interest, charitable contributions, and medical expenses, or use the standard deduction. Most taxpayers use the standard deduction because it's simpler and often higher. Credits reduce your tax bill dollar for dollar. Popular ones include the child tax credit, earned income tax credit, and education credits. Credits can be refundable or non-refundable, so know the difference. The software or form will calculate your tax liability. Review everything carefully. Mistakes in Social Security numbers, income entries, or credits can delay your refund. Submit your return electronically and choose direct deposit for the fastest refund, usually within 21 days. Use the IRS "Where's my refund" tool to track it. Always keep a copy of your return for your records. Don't forget to sign your return. Yes, even electronic ones. Double-check bank account numbers, review all income sources, and make sure dependents aren't claimed on multiple returns. Failing to file or pay on time can trigger penalties. Start early. Remember the deadline, 15th of April following the calendar year. File electronically and double-check everything. Use direct deposit for refunds and make sure all your documentation is accurate. And if you're not sure, seek help, either from IRS tools, free tax clinics, or professionals. Thanks for watching our guide to filing Form 1040 online. Filing taxes doesn't have to be scary. With preparation and the right tools, it can be smooth and stress-free. Subscribe to U.S. Tax Unpacked for more practical tax tips.